The Intelligent Investor, the book that changed investing forever and minted more millionaires than any hot stock tip ever could. What if your edge in the markets wasn't IQ, fancy trade setups, or insider info, but the calm, disciplined mindset for a true value investor? Welcome to Trade Investor, where we unlock the blueprint to financial independence for Indian retail investors. Today, you'll hear not just a summary, but a complete masterclass on the Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, incorporating all the wisdom and updates from its latest edition. Get ready to leave behind speculation, embrace financial sanity, and build wealth the smart way. Benjamin Graham, known as the father of value investing, wrote The Intelligent Investor as a guide to keep ordinary investors safe from their own worst instincts. This book is the bedrock of value investing and the inspiration behind legends like Warren Buffett. Its message: investment success doesn't require genius, just discipline, patience, and the right temperament. Graham teaches the true enemy of investor isn't the market, but emotional mistakes. Let's break down the actionable insight, updated commentary, and Indian-centric takeaways from this investing classic. Section 1. What is investing and what is mere speculation? Graham draws a clear line between investing and speculation. Investing means conducting a careful analysis, buying with margin of safety, and aiming for satisfactory, not extraordinary returns. Speculation is guessing, gambling, or chasing quick profits. Key message: buy stocks as ownership in real businesses, not just lottery tickets. For Indian retail investors, don't fall for every hot tip or viral stock. Focus on business fundamentals. Section 2. The investor's two paths: defensive versus enterprising. Graham offers two investment routes: defensive or passive investors. Second one, enterprising or active investors. Defensive investors, builders of wealth through minimal effort and risk. Suited for their wanting safety and steady with 50-50 allocations in quality stocks and bonds. While enterprising investors, they're willing to dig deeper, shoulder more risk, and put in consistent effort for potentially better returns. Which one is you? Graham's approach fits any path, but warns against overestimating your skill and underestimating the risk. Tailor your plan for your temperament and time. The book's latest edition shares updated examples for both Indian and global markets. Section 3. Margin of safety. The non-negotiable law. The margin of safety is Graham's golden rule. Only buy investments at prices dramatically below their intrinsic value. If you overpay, you're gambling. Buying with a margin means less risk even if things don't turn out perfectly. In Indian context, don't chase overrated IPOs or stories. Buy solid businesses at a discount. Think of it as wearing a helmet in the financial race. It might feel boring, but it will save your wealth. Section 4. Mr. Market. Learning from market's mood swings. Meet Mr. Market, Graham's famous metaphor. Imagine the market as a moody business partner who offers to buy your share or sell you his at wildly different prices, driven by fear or greed. Wise investors, they refuse to be swept away by market euphoria or panic. Use Mr. Market's mood swings to their advantage, buying when everyone else is fearful and staying calm when everyone is greedy. This mindset is vital for Indian traders, routinely exposed to volatility and hype-driven rallies. Section 5. Stocks, bonds, and asset allocation. Building your portfolio. Graham's advice for both defensive and enterprising investors covers stocks, bonds, and asset allocation. Stocks. Focus on well-established dividend-paying companies with a record of earnings. Bonds. Balance your portfolio with quality debt instruments. Asset allocation. Adjust your mixing depending on market cycles, age, and opportunities. The latest edition emphasizes reviewing allocation periodically, especially with changing Indian interest rates and market conditions. Section 6. The defensive investor. Safe, simple, and sensible. If you want to avoid big mistakes, Graham prescribes diversification between strong blue-chip stocks and high-grade bonds. Stick to a simple, rule-based plan with minimal trading. Ignore the noise of market. Focus on consistency. For Indian investors, consider index funds or ETFs for equity exposure. Use PPF, government bonds, and tax-saving instruments for the debt side. Section 7. The enterprising investor. Effort for extra reward. The enterprising approach isn't about speculation, but applying extra research to find out undervalued stock using financial statements, buy neglected sectors or temporarily out of favor companies. Pursue special situations like mergers, spin-offs, or bargain issues. Graham cautions, this takes time, discipline, and emotional control, without which risks multiply. Section 8. Market history. Understanding bubbles and crashes. The intelligent investor's lessons are shaped by history. Markets move in unpredictable cycles of boom and bust. Bubble, like dot-com bubble, real estate bubble, etc. They follow the same psychology. Crashes punish those who execute or chase trends. Graham's enduring wisdom. The investor's chief problem, and even his worst enemy, is likely to be himself. So stay rational. Recognize that market euphoria or despair are two sides of the same coin. Section 9. Security analysis, finding real value. Graham isn't just about buy and hold. He teaches how to analyze a company's earnings, assets, debt, and dividend record. Focus on companies with simple, understandable businesses. Don't base decisions on trends or forecasts. The latest editions walks you through the updated valuation examples and how to apply these principles in today's Indian markets. Section 10. Dividends and earnings. Why fundamentals matter. A true intelligent investor cares about companies that regularly pay or grow dividends, sustainable growing earnings, avoid flashy high growth story stocks. Graham's research, over the long run, dividends drive total returns. Indian investors should prioritize steady earners over speculative momentum plays. Section 11. Mutual funds and investment funds. Pitfalls and prudence. Graham discusses investment funds. Defensive investors should carefully select funds with low fees, transparency, and proven records. Beware high cost, actively managed funds or schemes promising guaranteed alpha. For Indian retail investors, prioritize index funds with low expense ratios. Avoid frequent fund switching and stick to the asset allocation. Section 12. Psychological pitfalls, winning the inner game. No matter how your good strategy, emotional discipline always wins. So avoid fear during crashes. See them as opportunities. Resist greed at bull market tops and don't overpay. Be patient. Even Warren Buffett made fortunes by sitting on his hands. You'll do well not because what you know, but because how you behave. Section 13. Margin of safety in practice. Case studies and modern application. The latest edition updates Graham's examples for modern readers. Group approach. Buying a basket of undervalued stock instead of betting on one particular stock. Using basic earning and asset value criteria to select investments. And real-world comparisons to Indian market leaders and value opportunities. Section 14. The Intelligent Investor in 2025 and beyond. Recent editors and Indian investing experts elaborate on adapting value investing to today's global tech-driven markets, how to avoid speculative frenzies in meme stocks and crypto, the importance of ESG and sustainable business practices alongside value criteria, and navigating inflation and risk in emerging markets. Even in today's fast-changing environment, Graham's timeless message remains: be rational, seek intrinsic value, and demand a margin of safety. Key takeaways for Indian retail investors. Be an owner, not a gambler. Focus on businesses and not stock tickers. Choose your investment approach: defensive, simple and safe, or enterprising, which is active and researched. Margin of safety is non-negotiable. Never overpay. Let the market's mood serve you, so stay calm, take advantage of extremes. Diversify and allocate wisely. Balance between robust stocks and safe debt. Do your homework. So analyze before you buy. Don't follow market fads. Master your emotions. Patience, discipline, and self-control. They can beat the skill. Review and update. Markets change, but value, safety, and discipline never go out of style. So friends, if you are ready to transcend trading fads and media hot takes, this is your moment. Trade Investor stands for more than just profit. We teach the mindset and strategies for true financial independence, rooted in timeless value. Was the Intelligent Investor eye-opening? Like, subscribe, and comment. Which of Graham's lessons will you act on this year? Join us for more audiobook summaries and market updates and proven investing lessons right here on Trade Investor. Remember, wealth isn't built on flashy trades, but on humble and disciplined steps, again and again. Be an intelligent investor and let patience and principle win the race. See you in the next video. Signing off, I'm your Trade Investor. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.